Good morning, my dear student. Our topic number 9, decimal fraction. Today we learn add or subtract decimal. Step to add or subtract decimal. Convert decimals to like decimal. Decimal that have the same number of digits after the decimal points are like decimals. Write the decimal one below the other as per the places of digit. Write the decimals one below the other as per the places of the digit. Add or subtract starting from the rightmost digit and moving towards the leftmost digit. Add or subtract starting from the rightmost digit and moving towards the leftmost digit. Place the decimal point under the decimal point in the answer. Write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal points lined up. Put the 0 so the numbers have the same length. Put the 0 so the numbers have the same length. Then add using column addition, remembering to put the decimal point in the answer. Then add using column addition, remembering to put the decimal point in the answer. Now look here one question example 1.452 to 1.3. Line up the decimal point 1.45 to 1.3. Then pad the zeros. Here is only here 1.3. So here you put the 0. 1.45 to 1.300. The same length is there. Then add 1.452 plus 1.300. Here only 1.3 is given. So you here pad the 0. 1.300. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. And 1 plus 1, 2. Now look here example 0.32 plus 12.965 plus 1.1. Start the writing number 0.320. Then 12 point below point will come 12.965. Then 1.100. Pad with 0. Here is not given 0. So you give here 0. Line up the decimal point. Write properly the number one below other number. Then add there 0 plus 5 plus 0. 5 is there. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 and 1, 13. 3 write, 1 here carry. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1, 4. Then here is a 1. Next question 51 plus 14.02 plus 2.1. Start the writing number 51.00. Then 14.02. 2.10. Look how to write number. Decimal point will come decimal point below. Change whole number to decimal. 51 is a whole number. So change into a decimal 51.00. 0 plus 2 plus 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. Then here give point. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 and 5 plus 1, 6. 67.12. Here given subtraction question. 13.8 minus 1.20. Here look, here given only 8 here. And here given 1.27. So 13.80 you give here pad with 0 and subtract. Here you give 0. Then 1.27. 0.7 is going? No. To borrow from here 8. So here will come 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 1 you borrow here, so here remaining 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. And 1 minus 1, 1. So 12.53. 12.53. Next question, 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. 1.5 meter means 1.50 meter. 2.5 meter means 2.50 meter. Add this 0.00. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 here carry. 1 plus 2, 3 and 1, 4. What is the answer? 4 meter. What is the answer? 4 meter. Next question. 4 and 3/4 rupees. 4 and 3/4 means 4.75 rupees. And 7 and quarter rupees. 7.25 rupees. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 here carry. 7, 8, 10. Again 1 here carry. 4 plus 7, 11 and 1, 12. 12 rupees. What is the answer? 12 rupees. Look here sum. 35.74 plus 816.6. Here is only 6 and here given 7, 4. So here also pad with 0. 35.74. 816 point below point will come 6 0. Here is not 0, so you pad here 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 carry. 5 plus 6 and 6, 12. 1 carry. 3, 4 and 1, 5. And here is a 8. 852.34. Next question. 41.03 and 9.98. 41.03 plus 9.98. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 here carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 here carry. 1 plus 9, 10 and 1, 11. 1 here carry. 4 and 1, 5. 51.01. Now look the subtraction sum. 63.4 and 31.8. Both sides you pad the 0. 63.40 and 31.80. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 8 is going? No, borrow from 1 here. So 14 is there. 14 minus 8, 6. So here remaining 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And 6 minus 3, 3. 31.60. Next question, 63.4 minus 31.83. Here only given 4, so here you pad with 0. 63.40 minus 31.83. 0 minus 3 is going? No, borrow from 1 here, so here will come 10. 10 minus 3, 7. So here remaining 3. 3 minus 8 is going? No, again borrow 1 from here. 13. 13 minus 8, 5. So here remaining 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 31.57. Next question. 206.35 and minus 168.22. 206.35 minus 168.22. 5 minus 2 is going? Yes. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 8 is going? No. Borrow from here 1. So here will come 16. 16 minus 8, 8. So here remaining 9. 9 minus 6, 3. And here remaining 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 38.13. 38.13.